Whoa! Check it out. We're back.
Yeah.
Crunch Baby's here. Crunch Mom's here. Whoa, check it out, guys. So we are actually heading up to, well, we're not gonna tell you where, but we're heading up somewhere to go meet a special friend.
Yeah.
So you guys stick around to see who we're gonna be meeting. We're gonna head up there right now. It's a little bit of a drive, so we're gonna be heading towards there right now. It's about 10:30 in the morning. I do have, I'll show you guys a little clip of it, but I do have this awesome cooler in the back. We got the bodega cooler, so right now you can see, if I block it a little bit, it's at 32 degrees and 2 degrees. This is just a test run, but it's 32 degrees. It's got waters in here. It's got my coffee that I'm gonna make later. And then it's got these cool LED lights here and there. And then this side is at 2 degrees. This is just ice that I'm taking to see if it melts or not. And then right here, this is a bag of watermelon slush that I'm gonna make. So hopefully if it does freeze, then it'll turn into a watermelon slush. So it's pretty cool. It's connected via Bluetooth. I'm taking the power cord just in case it does run out, but it is running on a battery, which is back here. You can see that the battery light's on because it's powering it. That one's sold separately, so make sure if you guys do pick it up, you guys can run it off of a battery. We were sent that to do a little review of it because we do camping trips and whatnot. So it's kind of cool because it's a refrigerated cooler. Make sure you guys stick around for who we're gonna be meeting later on today. It's gonna be so cool. Do you know where we're going? Oh yeah, he knows. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right, we made it.
Yeah.
Cool. So we actually made it out here, guys. You're right, we're in Thousand Oaks. Woodland Hills, Thousand Oaks area. We're actually heading over to Gelson's real quick.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Because Crunch Mom has to go to the bathroom. It's kind of a far drive for us, like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. So we're gonna go pee-pee break. Whoa. Oh, you can walk now, mister. You're such a baby. Oh, he doesn't. Oh, he's holding on by himself. Look at this 5-year-old monkey. Look at this guy. I'm not even holding him. He's just holding on to me. What a monkey. Oh my goodness. I bet you I can tickle the monkey off of me. I bet you I could tickle him off of me. Okay. All right. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're heading in. We're gonna go meet them at a restaurant over here by Gelson's. We just used the restroom. Now we're heading over. Are you sure? Yeah.
Had this one. I don't know if it'll.
No.
Look at
that.
There you go.
Awesome.
You're more muscular than you are on camera.
What? No. Are you gonna pop it, or are you gonna? What are you gonna do?
Split.
Are you gonna split it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Nice.
Good job. That was satisfying.
Are you gonna eat it now? Now you have to frame it now. Look at, check it out. Whoa, look at, he signed it too. Nice.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. So we just met up with Taylor and Danny. You guys They're so cool, guys. We just met up with them. How was lunch, Jordan? Whoa. We're gonna head over to this one place, kind of in the same plaza. It's on the other side. They said that they're a 3-time winning Cupcake Wars. I guess they won the Cupcake Wars 3 times on the Food Network, so we're gonna go check them out. We saw a little sign, so we're gonna go check those guys out. But a little update on the cooler, guys. So right now, it's probably like 100 and something inside the car. It's pretty hot. It's like 100 degrees in the car. But the cooler is pretty cool. It's been keeping temperature, so I'll check it out. 29 and 16. And look it's turning into a slush. But very cool. Very cool. So it's turning into like a semi-slush from the watermelon. Yeah. And then look at the water bottles. They're still cold. Sweet Orleans. Nice. Ooh, it smells good. Whoa.
They're so big.
They are. All right, so we picked up some little treats, guys. Whoa, this one's got. We got that one. That's the chocolate confetti. Funfetti. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna eat it with Baba at home. So we're gonna put it into our cooler. Cool. See you guys in a little bit. All right, we're gonna head back down. We actually are gonna be coming back up out this way towards LA tomorrow again. But for now, that was a pretty fun trip.
It was.
I mean, we still need to go down and drive home, so that's another like hour and a half. But yeah, they were super nice.
They're
Super nice. Thank you guys for lunch.
Thank you, Taylor and Danny. Thank you, Taylor. Thank you, Danny.
Thank you guys. We'll meet you guys back down in the OC. All right, check it out. We just finished eating dinner, and now, oh yeah, and now we're gonna do the desserts.
Yeah.
praline French toast bread pudding.
Oh geez.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a mouthful. Praline French toast bread pudding. Well, stay tuned for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're actually going over.
Bye.
We're going back to LA. So stay tuned. Oh. Oh.
That's harder
It was
than I
too
thought.
hard. You ate it? How was it?
Yeah.
Good? Oh, try it. Let me see, Yum, yum. Oh, is it good? All right, welcome back, everyone. We are heading up to LA. We were asked if we wanted to go to I guess it's a purple carpet event for the Space Jams movie. So we're actually heading up over there to LA Live to go check it out. We have no idea what to expect.
Yeah. But
Uh-huh.
we're gonna go
Uh-huh.
eat Bugs Bunny.
So we're gonna head up there right now. We're just getting some gas. Crunch Mom's kind of, she kind of, it's not like a bet, but she wanted to see if I can do this whole vlog without saying guys. That doesn't count. So it's gonna be weird because I'm just so used to saying guys, but we'll give it a try. Are you ready, Jordan?
Yeah.
We should make it so that whenever you say the word guys, you owe us something, or he has to do something.
Maybe.
What do you guys think? What should he have to do if he says guys?
Leave it down below in the comment, guys.
Oh.
Leave it down below in the comment, everyone. Every time I say guys, that doesn't count. I guess I'll do something, or we'll do a tally and we'll figure it out.
Daddy,
Yes.
did you say guys?
Uh-huh.
You need to take us to a camping trip.
Oh.
Okay. All right, and then you guys can leave comments too. Okay, everyone.
Now,
Oh.
now you need to take us to a camping trip.
Okay,
What
so
that
that's
means.
what
That
I'll
was-
do. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below on what I should do if I do say that word. We'll see everyone in a little bit.
Bye.
Bye. Whoa, check it out. We made it.
Yeah.
All right, so we just parked, guys, and we're going to head on in. We'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, let's just get ready to go inside.
Yeah.
Are you ready? let's go. Oh, all right. Well, look at this basketball. So we're here, guys, to check it out.
We got
Who's that?
Babs over here.
It
Be sure to
is.
get a picture with
Nice. So we made it, guys. We're at the Space Jam, A New Legacy. We're walking down the purple carpet. Literally, it's a purple carpet. Whoa, there's Bugs Bunny. All right, so we're pretty much all done with that. But no, it was pretty cool. They had like games for the kids to play. Jordan won like this little toy.
Little ball.
Oh, and a little ball. But it was just so hot. It's like sandwiched in between like the Staples Center and all the other buildings. So there was like no airflow and it's just direct sun. It was just too hot. So
Not complaining.
not complaining, but it was hot. Jordan, how was it?
Good.
Did you have fun? What was the best part?
Meeting Bugs Bunny.
What's Jordan doing?
Na, na,
So on Saturday we got to meet up with Taylor and Danny, and we ate lunch with them, and they were the nicest people and such a good role model. And I told them that he gives me hope. He gives me hope for our generation, or our kids' generation. Such a great inspiration and hero, and such hard work ethic. And you know, I told him everything he stands for, I firmly believe in. And all around awesome guy, awesome couple, and we had a really good time. Kaya. Poo-poo. And then today, Sunday, we got to go to a Space Jam event out in LA. And that was a really cool experience too. And I think it's been a really cool experience so far with all this CrunchTube, Crunch Bros, and, you know, with Jordan. Like, we've been able to do a lot of fun things and meet a lot of cool people, and it's been great.
All right, so you guys can see right here, Jordan is sleeping. So we cruised around LA. We were gonna stop by at like Little Tokyo, but it was like super crowded, super packed. The parking structure was super full, so we're like, all right, forget it. We're gonna head down to Long Beach, but then we're like, what are we gonna do at Long Beach? So we ended up coming back all the way to Huntington Beach, and we're now at Trader Joe's. We like Trader Joe's snacks, so we're gonna pick up some snacks, and Jordan fell asleep, so let's wake him up right now.
Baba.
Jordan, do you want to play Pokemon? Do you want to watch Pokemon?
Baba.
Oh,
Well,
you missed it. We collected already.
there were so many Pokestops.
I know, you missed it. Uh-huh. You want to see right now? Okay. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, you're so out of it. All right, so we're going to head inside. We're going to go grab some snacks real quick, and then we're going to go meet up with another friend. And we'll catch up with you guys in a second. I'm not going to film inside Trader Joe's. I feel kind of weird doing that.
You feel weird.
I know, I feel weird.
You filmed everywhere else.
I film everywhere else, but it feels weird filming at Trader Joe's right now because I got to go to the bathroom. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we just finished hanging out with our friends. Woo, 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 woo. All right, right, it's like 5 o'clock now, so we're gonna head back home
And also, my stinky feet smell like rotten seafood.
Oh, that is so gross. All right, so yes, his feet actually do stink pretty bad. It's a hot day, he's wearing shoes. Kaya's feet stink too. But we are heading out now. We're going back home. That's pretty much it for our adventures the last 2 days.
That was a good one.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Oh, it's so gross. All right, we're heading out of here. All right. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.